Here we are at your very last multiplication fact, times 12. In order to do times 12, we actually do times 10, which you already know how to do and is a very easy fact, and times 2, which is another easy fact, and then something else that you know how to do, addition. So let's start off with an easy one. We're going to do 3 times 12. We're going to circle the times 12 because that is the trick that we're using. And notice that 12 is equal to 10 plus 2. So we are going to take the 3 and we're going to multiply it by each of the two pieces rather than multiplying it by that big number. So we're going to do 3 times 10, which we know and is very easy for us now. The tens trick is just add a 0, so we get 30. Then we're going to do 3 times 2, which we know is 6. And then the last step is to just add these two together, and it gives us 36. Now, ideally, you want to be able to do at least the simpler ones in your head. So you should be able to do 36 in your head, because that one's pretty easy. So let's try 4 times 12. Again, this one is also easy, and you should be able to do it in your head. So do 4 times 10, and think about what that is. Then do 4 times 2, think about what that is, and then add those two together. And what do you get? 4 times 10, 4 times 2, add those two together. So you should have gotten 40 and 8. Add those two together. 48 is the answer. Some of the harder ones say 8 times 12. That one you might have to write out. So let's take a look at that one. We're going to circle the 12. We're going to underline the 8. We're going to do 8 times 10. We get 80. 8 times 2 is 16. Some of you may be able to do that in your heads, and if you can, great. All the better if you can do it in your heads rather than write it down. Otherwise, 0 plus 6 is 6. 8 plus 1 is 9. The answer is 96. So practice doing these. Again, it's just two pieces. Put them together and add. That concludes our times 12 facts, and congratulations for making it through your multiplication facts.